Alright guys, welcome to this section. On this section we'll be working on theme installation. So what we're going to do now is to install a WordPress theme, a template that will guide us and that will give a structure, a look to our website. If you take a look at this website, you can see this website is invalid. There's nothing on this website, so we are going to get to research on how to go about these themes. So we'll go to WordPress. Okay, let's go to theme forest. So if you get to theme forest, you see a whole lot of themes that you can use, but mind you, they are not free, they are paid themes. You can see. So what you need to do is you need to search for what you want to work with before you proceed. So any website you want to work with, get to have an idea of the website before you can search. So you can actually buy a theme bundle from here, or you can make use of the free versions. But we want to research on how our website is going to look, so that we'll get to have an idea of the best theme to go with. So our website is wedding and fabrication. Though you can actually use construction, but let's search and see what comes up. You have searched, you can see we only have, we have a lot of them. You can see this is one, this is another one, and this one is $24, this one is $49, this one is $39, this one is $17, this is $18. So you can actually get a theme here depending on if you have the money, or you're working for someone and the person pays you enough. You can actually purchase a theme here and you make use of it. There are ways to go about to download this, but we are not going to use those ways, because they will actually harm your site. Some of them will harm your site. So we'll go to our dashboard. So you can see this is a theme. You can see the look of this very site. This is how your site will be. All you need to just to edit and use, just like Canva. So now we are going to appearance. We click on theme. You can see this is the theme we already have. So you click on add new theme. Once you click on add new theme, you can see these are different themes that you can actually use. This is one. You can see this is another theme, Ocean WP. These are different themes that you can actually make use of. But for the sake of this very course, we are going to use Astra. Astra is very easy to make use of. Many persons will actually tell you that Astra is easy to use, and ever since I've been working on most of the site, it's Astra I've been using. So this is Astra. You can see the look. So you can actually search for Astra, ASTRA, or if you find it here, you just click and install it. So what I'm going to do is I'll click. You can see this one is already activated, but I'm going to install this one so that this will be activated. So you click on install. Once you click on install, you allow it to load. Let's give it a little time. Why are you delaying? But my network is very active. Oh, what's wrong? The network. Stop keeping us waiting. Okay, yeah, it's installed. So you click on activate. So you can see our theme has been activated. So the next thing we are going to do is actually theme activation. So if you look at the top, you get to see get started to install starter templates. So the template will help you to give, the website, the theme has been updated, but there's no look on it yet. But let's refresh this and see. It will change, but it will have, you can see we already have a theme on it, so you can actually customize it yourself, or you can make use of their theme, like their template, to customize the look. So now what we are going to do is, you can actually click on customize here, or you click on get started if you are seeing it here. So I'll click on get started, so that will activate the template I want to use. I don't know if you still recall how to go about Canva, that you pick a template, you edit it to your test. That is what this is going to do exactly to our website. So you don't need coding idea to get some certain things done. So this video is just a guide on how to go about it if you are new to it. So click on build your website now, then ensure you click on Elementor. Elementor is the page builder we'll be using. So you can see these are different templates, website template we are going to select from. So now we are going to select based on our business category. Some of them are paid, others are free. So we are just going to use free versions of some. So what I will write is, I will type building and construction. Building and construction, because that is the only related term I can use. I'm not sure if fabrication will be there, but let's see. Building and construction, let's see. Yeah, I think it's okay. Good. So you can see this is premium, this is free, this for real estate, this construction, this roofing agency, and this is kind of close to what we want. These are other ones, but they are premium, so you need to be mindful. This is interior decoration, so for an interior designer you can actually go with this. Then there's no other one, so let me use this first one. Okay, local business, roofing services, AC electrician, movers, professionals, finance accountants, personal sites. No, so this is for e-commerce. If your business is about e-commerce, this is where to go about. This is what you do. If it's blog, this is where you select from. So now I will click on this first one, because this is what I find to be related. So immediately I click, you can see what is up. They are telling me to upload my logo. You can actually skip this to do it later, or you can do it now. Doing it now will ease you, because you won't need to stress yourself to do it later. So you can actually click on this, go to your select files, go to your files and upload your logo if you have it. I think I'm supposed to have this logo here. Wow, I don't have it here, so let me, okay, I don't want this logo this to be long, so I will actually do that on the next video. So this is it. We'll stop the video here and complete the designing later.